I was showing us how to use Pixelcut, how to remove background with Pixelcut. So let me just start afresh for those that didn't join. Alright, I said earlier that I will make a video on how to use BG remover website or application. So because I know many people will be using that BG remove, though it's not recommended because it does reduce quality of your image. But I know many people are making use of it, so I will just make a video on that. I'll post it on the YouTube channel, then share the link. But for now, let's just see how to remove background with Pixelcut. Alright, this is Pixelcut interface. This is Pixelcut interface. There are so many things you can do with your Pixelcut. You can use it to enhance image, but let's just go straight to background removing because I believe that's the reason why we are here. Just click on this remove background. Alright, the next thing is to pick an image that you want to remove the background. I believe some of us here knows how to use it, but for those that doesn't know how to use it, that's particularly why we're having this class, so that tomorrow we won't be repeating how to remove background, how to do this one, how to do this one. Alright, let's just use this image. Just wait a little so it can remove the background. Okay, the background has been removed. So the next thing now is to save it. Just click on this download icon, then click on save to automatically save to your phone. Alright, but if you are removing the background of an object and you want to blur that object, you can still use Pixelcut. That's the two major things I use Pixelcut for. So I feel like showing it out so that when we'll be having other classes, it won't be confusing. So let's just click on this open in edit. I believe you know where I clicked. I saw that open in edit. Or should I start afresh? Let me start afresh. For in case you want to remove an object, maybe an image from an, you want to remove the background of an object, then and blur it. You just have to pick the object. Okay, let me use this key as the object to use. If I want to blur this key, I'll just, after allowing it to load and the background is off, I'll just click on this um, open in edit. After clicking on this open in edit, I'll just tap on the key just once. You will see this blur tool. There are so many other tools. There are shadow, outline, reflection, filter, and so many others. But let's just go to the blur tool and just click on it. There are two major blur this thing here. We have Gaussian and motion blur. So depending on the one that you want to use, this is how Gaussian blur works. It just blurs everything like that. But this one is motion. I like using motion because it gives me what I want. Right? You can just uh, increase it. You can also increase the angle. But like as you can see, this place is now not showing well. Well, let me show you how to deal with those places that are not showing well. All right, I would have done this thing before I come over to this place. Let me just show you how to deal with these places that are not showing well, or in case if you are doing it tomorrow and some places are not showing well. Before you click on this open in edit that is here, you have to just click on this refine, change it to restore, then move it down to just a little bit, just a little bit. Just tap on the edges. You can tap here and here, sorry, and here. All right, click OK. Then you can tap on this open in edit. Tap on this open in edit. Click on the key just once, then go to blur. Here you have enough space to blur what you want to blur without having any issue. Alright, you can then click on this download icon. Click on this download icon, then press on save. That's how to remove background with Pixelcut.